Capital One. Do you want to increase your credit limit using the Capital One app? On Rapidguide channel, I'll show you how to request a credit line increase step by step. First, open the Capital One app and sign in with your account details. From the home screen, select your credit card, then open the account options or settings menu. Look for the option to request a credit limit increase and tap on it. You may need to provide updated information, such as your income and employment details, before submitting your request. After you complete the form, send your request and wait for Capital One to review your account. The decision may be available quickly, or it may take some time depending on your account. A higher credit limit can give you more available credit and more flexibility when managing your expenses. For better chances of approval, always make payments on time and use your credit card responsibly. Follow Rapidguide for more simple banking tutorials and app guides.